I am back with a new video. We are doing mystery bags. One is Disney villains and Secret Life of Pets. Which one do we want to start with?
One of these pets?
Sure. Secret Life of Pets.
Okay, and we each get two.
I don't remember this character.
Oh, it's the alligator.
I don't remember that character though, do you?
And then it tells you
what it is.
The different ones you can get.
The scaly muscle castot? I guess this is Croc, but
Croc.
I don't remember this guy.
And I got Chloe,
The
the fat cat. Unimpressed, indifferent.
Unimpressed and I don't remember the crocodile.
So I guess
that's funny. Do you guys remember
okay.
Croc?
So it says the quality of the pet then.
Does it?
And then the reason you didn't know what that was saying is because it's in Spanish.
Oh!
So it also says it in Spanish what the quality of that pet was. So I got Chloe. You got Croc. I like Chloe.
Yeah.
The fat kitty.
The fat cat. Reminds me of my fat cat.
So,
do you remember this guy?
yeah.
I don't.
Which one do you want? Light or heavy?
That doesn't matter to me. Oh, the crocodile was part of the bad people, right?
I guess you take this one, and I'll take this one.
Oh my god, you won't go
This
back
one
in those
looks very
bags.
slender, so maybe it's like Max or Buddy. Or apparently there's two different versions of Max.
Yeah, because there's a gold version and a silver version, right?
A worried and a happy Max. And
I got
you got
Max.
Max. And I got Duke.
I think that's Happy Max.
And this is what Duke looks like. Very cute.
Yeah. Yeah, I got Happy Max. Okay, cool.
These are so cute. Very, very cool.
Oh, and we got these at the calendar store at the mall, and they were all on sale. So that's why we're like, ooh, look at these.
Yes. Okay. So
I wish this crocodile would go back in the bag.
alright. So moving on to the villains. And these are actually key rings.
Yeah, keychain things.
So that's pretty neat. And the options are Yzma, Lee Tremaine, Hades, Madame Mim, Ka, the Siamese Cats
Yes, yeah.
from Lady and the Tramp, Pete, Prince John, Gaston,
And
then
two mysteries.
there are two exclusives. One kind of looks like maybe kind of like Maleficent,
Maybe.
but I'm not sure, and I don't know what exclusive B even looks like. So I guess we will open and see. These are hard though. Oh,
I guess it's like opening a...
and I got one of the exclusives.
Oh, you don't know what it is. What is that?
This looks like maybe the angry version of Hades.
Does it say on it? It just says Disney on it, but
Looks
I
like
got the
that.
Siamese cat.
So that is
I
kind
kind
of
of wanted.
interesting.
I kind of wanted the Siamese cat.
Exclusive.
I got the Siamese cat.
That's pretty cool.
Got me a Siamese cat.
Alright. And I got a... It looks like an angry version of Hades, is what it looks like.
Yeah.
So, he's angry.
He's angry.
He is angry.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, man. I got the
Another mystery one!
And it is the golden version of Ka.
Or Ka, yeah.
So I got both of the exclusives. And you got the normal one.
The normal Hercules! These things are pretty heavy, actually.
They are pretty heavy. That's pretty neat.
Golden Ka. You got the exclusive both.
I got both exclusives.
That's funny.
That's really crazy. I didn't get any of the other ones. I would have liked to have gotten Prince John. Because I always loved that baby. But,
Hey, you
I
got exclusives. Maybe those
So-
will be worth something. You never know.
Maybe. Pretty cool.
I kind of wanted the Siamese cats, so I didn't get the Siamese cats. Awesome.
But Jungle Book and Hercules, both really good.
And then I got
Really good.
Hercules.
Really good.
and-
So, that's pretty cool. Those. What we got?
That's funny that you got the exclusive ones.
Yeah.
So those are all the mystery bags that we have for today. Make sure you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. And we will see you later.